Yes guys, so today we're going to be servicing the C30. We're doing oil filter, fuel filter if I've got time, and new sump plug, so we'll see how we get on. Alright, so we've got 6 litres of oil, Castrol Edge 0W30, we've got Volvo filter, and I've just been to pick a new sump plug up. The car's already warm because I've just been to pick that up, so we'll just crack on. I think we'll get her in the air. Oil filter is literally just here. So get these fresh axle stands. Damn. Right, so these are the tools you need. 10mm for the under tray, 17 for the sump plug, 36 big boy for the oil filter casing, and that's it. So there's 5 bolts on there, 1 over that side, and then there's 3 here. So 1, 2, where is it? 3. Get them off, and then this comes off. Right, so first take this off because it will let the oil drain out better from beneath. Now this is proper B-Tech, but I've just got a normal bucket that we've been using for grip because of the snow. Oh! Oh heck. Yes lads, so while that's draining, we're gonna unbox the new filter, and then got the new sump plug here with the new washer. Make sure you put that on so you don't get any leaks. The new filter is here from Volvo, and O-ring. So put it in like, I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, going well-ish. So next, get your big 36. Fucking size of that. Yes lads, absolute mechanic over here. To be fair, big up Volvo putting the oil filter right at the top, not underneath. Right, I've been told to cover up the alternator just in case any spillages. Whoa! Yes. Now that is bleg, as George would say. Now then, you want to take this out of here. Chuck it in the roll box. I wish it would stop me so freaking windy. Get your pliers. And you can see, I don't know if you can, it's that little notch there. Grab that and pull the O-ring up. There you go. Whoa. That can go in the bin as well. Give this a good clean. And use some contact cleaner, brake cleaner, whatever, to just clean out this whole shell. So you don't get any leaks. Contact cleaner, bang that in there. That'll do nice lead. Right, now you want to get your new O-ring, cover it in the new oil so it doesn't crack or like something like that. Just coat that all round, just so it's nice and lubed up, like so. I think that'll do. Move that out of the way. So me, I'll kick it over, right, and then chuck this back in here. It'll literally just like slot back in. There's like a groove in there, so make sure you put that little tab facing upwards for next time. Push it down. It'll seal itself anyway, but that should do. Right, and then get your new filter and just push it down till it clicks. There you go, and that's done. Right, that's just about finished draining, so we'll give it a few more minutes. We'll get that old plug out of the way, then we'll put the new one in, put the filter in, oil, done. Alright lads, so I'll give that a clean as well. That should stay in. So just screw that back in now. Get this bad boy tightened back up. Do it to about 23 newton meters or something, but like you'll know when it's tight anyway, so just like hand tight and a bit more, that'll do. Right, we're back under the car. Right, we've got the new sump plug washer and sump plug, so we'll bang that in now, clean that up a bit, and we're good to go. Right, so let's torque this to 38 or something, but I don't know how to wrench, so going by the big field. Right, now this is 5.8 litres, but I'll just fill it up. I'll put 6 in. Right, so this is the 6th litre. Just going to put half of this in. And then turn her on, check for leaks. Yes lads, so that is the end of the video. The oil's been changed, filter's been changed, sump plug. So it went quite well, to be fair. Like, it was way overdue, so I thought I'll get it done now. I just want to say a big thanks to everyone who's subscribed so far. Appreciate all the support. Like, we're on 150 subs now, so hopefully one day we can look back and think, oh man, remember when we were on 150 subs, lying on the driveway in the freezing wind. And hopefully one day we'll have a unit and we'll be doing more cool stuff, like turbos and shit, not just oil changes. But yeah, appreciate the support anyway. So if you want, subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you in the next one, which is going to be a Q&A video, I believe. I'm gonna get up. Oh man. Yeah, so I'm going to do a Q&A next. Sorry about the wind. So if you do have any questions for that, I've got a few already, but leave a comment on this one if you want to know anything about the car, about me. Just ask away. I will see you in the next video.